What's up, folks? This is the Savage Scientist here on my Mac. And I want to show you how to install Oh My Zsh, a Z-shell decoration that's going to replace this with different colors, and it's going to make the commands look a little better. So let's go to instructions on how to install this thing. Start Chrome, and we're gonna search for Oh My Zsh, and there it goes. And so the first link, Oh My Zsh. And now let's install it. Batteries not included. So I just hit the install, and we're gonna have to type in this curl command, or you could use wget. I'm gonna just use the curl and paste that into my terminal. And you have to do it with sudo, I guess. Put my password in. You bastard. And after putting in the right password, now we have Oh My Zsh. And this is what it did to my terminal. So now when I want to list my folders, it's gonna look like that. First is just a black screen without the highlights. So that's it. Oh My Zsh. Pretty nice looking shit. And you still could decorate the terminal with black background and do all the normal terminal decorations. And you could use Oh My Zsh. So let's